Strategy worked.
Mwihoko wa kirabu kia AFC Leopards wa kunyihia mwanya wa pointi gatagati kayo na atongoria Gor Mahia ni uragire igesha thutha wa kuhotwo na mbaũ 4-1 ni Mathare United hari ngucanio ya KPL iria irathakirwo ira hwaine. Victor Omune niwe urambire kuhe Leopards utongoria dakika-ini ya keri kibindi-ini kia mbere, indi Mathare United iracoka kugarura maundu ngucanio no etigarĩtie dakika 14 ikinya muthia kuhitukira muthaki Brian Ouru uria ofugite mbaũ 2 guku Isaac Omweri na Ian Omondi makifuga mbaũ 1 o mundu na kuhe Mathare United uhotani wa pointi 3 cia bata. Riu Ingwe mari namba 2 mari na pointi 43 pointi 7 thutha wa atongoria Gor Mahia guku Mathare United makiambatira nginya namba 12 na pointi 29 thutha wa guthaka ngucanio 24.
For himself and for Mathare United as well. Goes for a short one. Kenyanjui has left it for him again. Now it comes even further and they put it in the net. The left foot of Omweri. Through the defenders as well.